swear. Come on, you gotta tell me. At the Superhero Comic Con and Car Show. So excited. I have a ticket to get one of my Funkos signed by Ming-na. I am so excited for that. That's gonna be later in the video so you guys can see that. There's gonna be some cars I'm gonna show you, and of course, you know, I'm gonna shop for, yes, Funkos, of course. So come on with me inside and let's go check it out, okay? Come on, let's go. I have this one. I don't have this one. As I'm walking around and looking at everything and all the vendors, all the exhibitions, I got in trouble. I bought Funkos, but I did find some very good prices, some very good Funkos, good condition, some of the ones that I'm missing, like the low numbers that I'm trying to get. And I'm pretty happy with my purchase, and there's a lot more vendors to go see, a lot more Funkos to go see, and I don't know which way I should go. Should I go that way, or that way? No idea, guys. I am going to do a little unboxing on these when I get home, so stay tuned for that, alright guys? Let's keep going, come on. Car show. So I am hoping to see the Batmobile or the DeLorean from Back to the Future. I don't know what's in there, so I can't wait. So why don't you guys come join me and let's go check it out. Come on. And here's my favorite turtle, Donatello. He's been my lifelong best friend. Amazing metal, Batman. Check out this car. I would seriously allow myself to get kidnapped by the Joker if it means that I get rescued by Batman and I get to ride in this baby. Totally, I'm down for it. Let's do it. Adam West, come rescue me. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Hey, it's Sniper. right behind me. I didn't know. I've got chills that are multiplying, and I'm losing control.
1, 2, 2, check 1, 2, 2.
The years are flying. It's electrifying. Wow, my favorite movie. Grease. I love it. I am so ready to get in there with John Travolta. Don't judge me. John. Hey guys, I just came out of getting my Funko Pop autograph by Ming-na. It's right here. And yes, I learned from last time. This time I got it authenticated, so I'm good to go on I covered all my bases. This experience has been so amazing. Unfortunately, I could not video her while she was filming, but we were able to get a picture. We did ask beforehand just to make sure, because you know we don't want to step on anybody's toes or break any rules, but we did get that picture and it should pop up right about now. Thank you, Em. This whole amazing experience, I bought a lot of Funko Pops that I'm going to show you guys later when I get home. Let's see what else. Oh, there were so many amazing cosplays. I didn't get to cosplay this time because, you know, me being the klutz that I am, I hurt my knee again. Yes, again. Aside from that, I had so much fun. It was, I met up with an old friend. You guys should check out his channel, Kevin Dagger Cinemas. Check out his channel, alright? Alright guys, that's it for this video, everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I really appreciate if you guys give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel. I have a goal to get 500 subscribers, so if you guys can help me out with that, I appreciate it. And of course, as always, remember, from my heart to yours, put some love out into the universe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.